Hey there, math magicians! Welcome to another exciting episode of Laughs and Lessons. Giggle, learn, repeat. Today, we're going to learn a super cool trick to square numbers ending in 5 in just seconds. Ready? Let's go. Here's a question for you. What is 25 times 25? Sounds tricky, right? Don't worry, I'll show you a magical shortcut. First, take the number in front of 5. In 25, the number in front is 2. Now, let's add 1 to it. 2 plus 1 equals 3. Great! Now multiply those two numbers. 2 times 3 equals 6. Remember that number, it's our magic key. Next, always add 25 to the end. So the final answer is 625. Ta-da! Math magic! Let's quickly recap our steps. Step 1. Take the number in front of 5. Step 2. Add 1 to it. Step 3. Multiply them. Step 4. Add 25 to the end. And you've got your answer. Okay, now it's your turn. Can you solve 75 times 75? Type your answer in the comments below. I'm excited to see who gets it right. If you loved this math trick, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more fun learning with Laughs and Lessons. Giggle, learn, repeat. See you next time, math magicians. Bye!